Today, Mike visits the beautiful Gulf Coast of Florida and finds a vet connoisseur who loves his detailing almost as much as Mike. Stick around to find out the awesome story of what's in the garage. It's time for a journey around America in search of the hidden gems, rare finds, and unbelievable collections in the garages of the country's auto enthusiasts. Each week, Mike Phillips will lead us through the amazing, fascinating, and entertaining backstories that make up What's in the Garage, presented by AutoGeek.net. Today, Mike is in beautiful Tampa, Florida.
Welcome to another edition of Auto Geek's What's in the Garage. I'm your host, Mike Phillips, and today I'm in Temple Terrace, Florida to check out a few really cool cars in the garage here. In fact, when I pulled up, one of the first things I saw was a NSX, an Acura NSX is black, and a Corvette that's silver. Man, these things look good. If this is what's in the driveway, I can't wait to see what's in the garage. Hi, my name is Mike Phillips. Are you Jerry?
Mike, yes, good morning. How are you?
Good. Hey, it's nice to meet you.
Same
First
here.
thing I noticed was a couple really nice cars out here in the driveway, the NSX and the Corvette. I can tell from being in here that you like black cars.
I like them. I like them.
Why are these out in the driveway like this?
Well, because I don't have any room in here. You can see I have my prize cars in here. I've got my 68 Corvette, which I've had since almost 40 years. It's an original car. Original engine, transmission, rear, and I've had it, as I said, for 40 years. It was my college car, and I've had it longer than I've had my wife, longer than my kids, longer than a number of girlfriends, but here it is. And in addition to that, I've got a 66. We did a body off restoration on it right here. Everything on that also is mostly original. Small block, 410 rear. It's got a Tremec transmission, 5-speed, so I can drive it on the highway, and I absolutely love it. And up here, we're building a 70 SS 396 Chevelle, also quite original, body off restoration, and most of this was done here. I'm going to finish it up and should be done probably in about 2 months or so.
Well, that's a great story. But you know what? One of the things I wanted to ask you about was the NSX out here. Now, this is like a race car on the road. Can you tell us about this?
I bought this in 2004. It's a 2000 car. It had very low mileage, and it's been pampered. It's my daily driver. I absolutely love it.
Every single day you drive this down the road?
Every day.
Wow, that's incredible, because these are like race cars. I mean, seriously, this is a lot of engineering behind that car.
I absolutely love it. Absolutely love it.
And what do we got here?
This is my son's car. It's a 2000 Corvette, obviously all original, and he probably takes care of it better than he takes care of me. It's in beautiful shape, as you can see.
Well, one of the things I can tell is that the finish on all these cars is in just absolutely phenomenal condition. When I walked in here, one of the first things I noticed is you got a complete line of detailing supplies here. I work for Auto Geek. I noticed you got Auto Geek products, you got the Wolfgang, you got the Mothers over here, you got Dodo Juice products, you got a Wolfgang foam gun down there. So it looks like he's completely equipped to take care of the finish on all your cars, and they look great.
Yes, I have to leave it up to him. He does the work for me, does everything. And the reason why these cars look this way, at least the finish on them, is because of him.
Yeah, it does look good. Also, he's got the Brinkmann Xeon swirl finder light. That helps you get all the swirls out of the car.
Correct, and with black cars, you know how important that is.
Well, yeah, black is the hardest thing to take care of. So now tell you, you've had this for how many years now? This
almost 40.
68? Almost 40 years. Well, I tell you, man, it is just immaculate. You know, the body lines on this particular year for a Corvette, the real sexy fender lines here, these things just scream testosterone. This thing's beautiful.
It's nice. It's nice. Starts up, it runs really well, and I absolutely love it.
You know what I really like is the slotted mags. I'm a big fan of slotted mags, and they look really nice with the silver paint.
These are the Anson mags, which I originally got them in 1972, and I got them because Joel Rosen put them on his motion cars, and this car is originally from New York, and I said, well, let me put them on the car, and I've had them ever since.
No, they look great.
Thanks.
Well, we're going to take a break, but we'll be right back. We're going to take a look at the two black cars in here.
What's in the Garage, presented by AutoGeek.net, is brought to you by Optimum Car Care. Accelerate into the future. Available at AutoGeek.net. And by ARP, the world leader in fastener technology. And by Pinnacle, science and nature in harmony, available at autogeek.net.